Earlier on today, another fellow business owner, had asked me, why should I promote my business on Facebook? What's the advantages of Facebook? And I was like, where have you been for the past few months, the couple of years? Facebook is just growing rapidly, it's taken over so many different websites, and it is probably going to be the number one website very shortly. So I wanted to do this quick video and just go over some of the key benefits that Facebook would have for any business. Now, first of all, what you could do is you've got this search bar. So it's like search engine optimization, SEO. And if you don't know what that's basically, anyone that types in like butchers or whatever in your area, you can put like Edinburgh or whatever. You can click on this and it will show you like a list of different butchers or whatever. So it's like a search engine that people will be using to look for your business actively, and if you're not on Facebook, then obviously using a lot of custom there. Now this this is the section that people usually type into when they're looking for a person or whatever. So if someone's looking for me there, type in my name and you see me straight away. So you can see the benefits of Facebook just there. I mean, Facebook has got millions and millions of users, which is growing every single day as we speak. And there's like probably not hundreds. There's like most of the countries in the world are probably using Facebook, and even countries like China, where I know like the internet is banned, there's still people out there that are going out their way to use these social networking websites because people are using it for networking and socializing. But as a business user, you can get in there and target such a huge market. The best thing is it's free. You don't actually have to spend much time, and it doesn't cost you anything, so get in there as quickly as you can. Right, so that's one thing. Now, if you haven't already done so, I highly recommend you get this Facebook fan page, this is my fan page here, and at the bottom of the video you'll probably find a link where you can go and find out some free marketing tips that I'll be sharing with you, and also some Facebook advertising methods for any business. So it tells you how to create a fan page and get all that nitty gritty step by step. So even if you're like completely technophobic or whatever, you can use this. It's showing you in a video exactly like what button to press, what to do. So there you go. So what you do is once you've got a fan page, you get fans. Now this is a fairly new page, so I've not got many fans, but 183 is better than none. And when you've got these people, so whatever you type in here, so if you've got a new product, if you want to share information, just type it in this box. What happens then is that information, for example, if you've got a link or a website, it goes to all of your fans. So all of your fans, 183 people, will actually see whatever message. So the friends of those 183 people will also see what you've written. So it's like a viral effect, and people will share it on, and you've got this section, you can ask questions, so you can have like a poll, and you can put in different options. You can put videos, you can put links, photos, or just like a quick message. So you just want to tell your followers something. And I think it's very important because all these pictures, etc., it shows personality, for me anyway, because I'm a person, that's my brand. But if you've got a business, put in your products, put in what your value of your business is, put in any special discounts, and it's a great way to get in touch and build that trust, that relationship with your followers, because it is a known fact and psychologically proven that customers who will get to know you, and they will they will see what your business is all about, they will trust you, and if they trust you, then they're more likely to buy from you, not just once, they will buy from you again and again. It's about loyalty, and it's important to build that trust factor. So like I've got these pictures here, that shows my personality, shows what my business is all about. This pink car is branding me again. It's got information about me. I mean, I update mine quite regularly. This is just random pictures, funny pictures, because it shows my personality. I like to have a laugh, and some training tips, etc. So, you know, whatever it is that you want to share, this is a great platform, and as I would highly recommend, and I guarantee that even if you open this Facebook fan page today, it'll give you like a much better exposure to your business than you previously had. And again, remember, at the bottom of the video you can click the link where you can get your free tips, and please leave your comment as well.